Nickelodeon, THQ Nordic, Purple Lamp. Ooh. Hello, welcome, and how are you? My name's Yasin from Yao TV. Please consider to check it out, my main channel and my Yu-Gi-Oh channel as well. I'm going to upload some videos in English sometimes, um, and I already did some English stuff. So, and today we're gonna let's play Spongebob Squarepants Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated, the new remake. So, um, we're going to make a new game. Then I will take the last, and let's get started. Long loading screens, already noticed it by my first playthrough.
Willkommen in Bikini Bottom, ein normalerweise friedlicher
Oh
Zufluchtsort in
shit.
München. Heute
Oh
befindet
shit,
sich
guys.
hier ein Theater.
That's an interesting debacle. I'm going to cut it out. Just started the game in German. Ah, I forgot to. Oh, guys, I forgot to change the language. So, back to main menu. Zurück zum Hauptmenü. That's totally how German sounds like. Yeah, that was absolutely accurate. Okay, so let's get started. Second try. Options. Spracheinstellung. Textsprache. We're gonna go with no, the other direction. English, and here English as well. Nice. Default. Subtitles. We don't need subtitles. That's it. New game. Erase the old. Create a new file. And now, really, let's get started.
Welcome to Bikini Bottom, a normally peaceful undersea sanctuary. Today it will be transformed into a theater of pure horror, wherein our little yellow friend will play the starring role.
Today is the big day. I have devised an ingenious plan to finally steal the Krabby Patty formula. And if Bikini Bottom happens to get demolished in the process, oh well. With my brand new Duplicatotron 3000, I'll clone an army of robots that will wreak mayhem and destruction at my command. One last review of the checklist. Let's see. Item number 1, is Plankton a genius? Answer yes. Okay, checklist complete. Throw in the switch. Welcome, my perfectly obedient robot army. Hang on. I want to get a photo for my scrapbook. Hey, hello? What do you think you're doing? Oh, no, 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 wait! But I'm your master! I made you! No! Oh, my good China!
Another perfect day playing robots and racehorses.
Yeah, only I keep getting the racehorses and the robots mixed up.
Wouldn't it be great if we had real robots to play with, Patrick? I'd name mine Robo Jr. or Zorlon or maybe Frankie.
Yeah, these unreal robots are getting boring. Hey, what if we put the robots in here?
Oh, how shellfish of you!
It's not just any shell. It's my magic wishing shell.
Wow, that's great, Patrick!
So we put the toy robots in here.
Okay.
Then we say the magic wishing words and shake the magic wishing shell.
Okay.
Then we go to sleep, and in the morning, we'll have real robots to play with!
But Patrick, aren't we going to say the magic wishing words?
You already did!
So, okay is the magic wishing word?
It used to be Alakazama Alabala Wiesna Tikitana Fushbar Griddle Bits von Wiederschnauzer, but I kept forgetting it.
Are you sure this'll work?
Sure! Last week, I only had one big cookie crumb and I was really hungry. So I put my cookie crumb in the magic wishing shell. Then I said the magic wishing word and shook it. And in the morning, I had lots of little cookie crumbs.
Patrick, I proclaim that tomorrow is going to be the best day ever.
Good night, Spongebob.
Good night, Patrick.
The next morning.
Gonna play with robots, gonna play with robots, gonna play with robots, gonna play with... Wow! Gary, did you do that?
Awful. Incredible. Outrageous. This is outrageous.
It sure looks like we're in a doozy of a pickle. I think I'm gonna have to learn a lot in order to fix this mess. What a fantastic idea! These signs will provide important tips to help me out. How do I read the signs? Oh, okay. Press this button to read the signs. So if I want to come back and talk to you again, just walk up to you and press this button. I'd better get started
Exactly.
now, Gary. I think that this is going to be a very long day.
This is explore the kitchen, explore the bedroom, explore the attic, explore the closet. So, attic, interesting. Didn't know that word.
I'd make
So,
myself a snack.
for all of you who don't know, I'm German, and yeah, I learned English in school. But I'm now finished with school, just a few weeks, and I just started learning real English in my absolutely last year, my final year. That means 1 year ago my English wasn't that good, so I'm still learning, and because YouTube
I'd make myself a snack.
is you see, I don't know how to express it properly, so I just say because it's fun to me to make YouTube videos. I always think, okay, do some English YouTube videos. Maybe you can get a little, yeah, a little, probably not that big of a community, but a little English-speaking community, and just get fluently at speaking English. So, yeah, and that's the reason why I do this Let's Play in English, though I just doing it in German at the moment. So I already played the game, not till the end, till the end of the first real level, and now I'm starting it to do it in English again. I mean, this is one of the few games I can play so often, so I mean the original one, but for this one it counts too because it's kind of similar, you know. So I'm just playing it again on the same day, but no problem for me. Oh, what a weird physics. No problem for me. Really like this game. Yeah. So, and that's one focus by playing this game is not to look that much if the new version, so Rehydrated, or the old version, the origin. Man, always the same. I can't remember the button for this attack, because it's so weird to me having this attack not directly beneath the jumping button. So yep, it's Y. This attack is Y and this is A on the Switch Pro controller. Feels so weird. So what was I talking about? So yeah, explaining myself why I'm doing this. So that's why I'm doing it in English, and the reason why I'm doing it now is just yeah, I'm a little channel and already collected that shiny objects. Okay, nice. Yeah, it's a new game and it probably will get the most attention if I'm uploading both versions now instead of in a year or something. And I can play this game all over again, all the time, so I'm just doing both Let's Plays right now. Because you have to understand, it's not that I'm only making YouTube for the clicks, but if you don't have any clicks, it's not that, doesn't give you that much, what is the word? So it doesn't, you don't have that much fun to do it if you know no one is listening or no one looks what you are doing here. So that's the reason. Maybe my channel can get a little, can grow now by a little with that Let's Play.
Trying to steal the Krabby Patty formula again, eh, Plankton? Well, you won't get away with it.
I've got bigger fish to fry. I've got to figure out how to regain control of the chum bucket from those robots.
Where did they come from?
Where? I don't know. Not for me, though, that's for sure. They just showed up out of nowhere and started calling me rude names and throwing things. They even bent all my spoons.
Not the
I
spoons.
love those spoons like they were my children.
That's terrible.
Yeah, that is terrible.
Oh, won't
Exactly.
you help me stop them? Before they bend all my forks?
Not the forks! Of course I'll help. But wait, I'm supposed to collect a whole lot of golden spatulas.
Golden spatulas, eh? SpongeBob, if you could get me back into the chum bucket, I'll give you a bucket full of golden spatulas. In your dreams.
You've got a deal.
Okay. I mean, if it's for the forks, yeah, we gotta do something, okay, guys? That is serious shit. Are we getting the yeah, we're collecting the shiny objects now. Nice. Bubble Body.
You're going to need to learn some new bubble-blowing moves if you're going to journey to the 9th dimension and defeat the giant monkey man.
Oh. Ah. Ninth dimension and yeah, the giant monkey man. Yeah, I think you're in the wrong episode, Bubble Body. But alright.
But all I need to do is figure out how to get rid of these robots.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yes.
I've been in the soap bottle a little too long. Where were we?
Yes, exactly. That's it.
Something about new bubble moves?
Right! Press this button and you'll launch yourself
Unfortunately,
straight up in
X,
the air
not B.
with bubble power that defeats anything that is
Not X.
directly above you.
Whoa.
Try it out.
I thought he was talking about the Y button attack, the spinning attack. No. He, for some reason, he's talking of this attack, and for some reason, there are like 3 explanations for this attack at the beginning, and yeah, because this attack is so important. Don't care about the 2 other attacks, just this attack. It's all you need. Yeah. Oh, nice looking dragon from the Goo Lagoon. Nice. Yeah, much more detail in the background. And also this is different. You really quickly going to die if you jump out of bounds. And yeah, and this cliff here is new. So yeah, like I told you, it's so important, that attack, yeah. So, and really important, there's a golden underwear up there. So what I'm going to do is to deliberately not collecting it because I want the game to be as difficult as possible. So the free golden underwears, a golden underwear gives you another additional life. Yeah, another additional. And yes, so that means I would have 4 spots for lives for underwears, not just 3 and in the end 6. And obviously that's much easier. So, but we want to play the hard mode, so I'm not going to collect these golden underwears, but for the rest I will collect all socks and all spatulas, so 100% except for the golden underwears. Yeah, doesn't care, they do not even count into the 100% counter.
A place to experience nature at its most raw, and sometimes a bit tender from the stings.
Yes.
Squidward, are you okay?
It seems not.
No, I'm not okay, you barnacle head. Do I look like I'm okay?
Well, your nose does look pretty big. I mean, bigger than usual because it's usually pretty big. And you look clammy. And oh my gosh, you're bald!
Insane, eh? Insane. He's bald. Didn't know that before.
I've always been bald, but now I'm stung all over.
Well, according to the Jellyfisher Field Manual, severe jellyfish stings can be treated effectively by applying a thick layer of king jellyfish jelly to the affected areas. King jellyfish?
Well, I guess you're off to scale Sport Mountain and die a horrible death under the vicious tentacles of King Jellyfish. I'll stay here, balled up here in excruciating pain.
Yeah.
You do that! Don't worry, Squidward. I'll bring back that King Jellyfish jelly for you to rub all over yourself.
So, we're going to journey through the whole jellyfish fields. Let's go. We're motivated, guys. We're motivated. So, this sock. Last time I wanted to collect it like the old good way, jumping on that bumping flower and just jumping around. Not jumping around, jumping to the sock. But it doesn't work in that game, so we have to do it the really old way with the freeze fruit. Is this the English name? The English name? Don't know. So I'm making up some names for some objects. Yeah, because I'm not aware of the real English names for some of the items or for the robots or something. Hey, but I know that this is a jellyfish that stung me. Okay, so the box. Don't know, teleport box maybe. Yeah, I'm going to fishing robots. Feels so familiar. All these quotes. Because in German version we have a whole new quotes. So the same meaning, but with the original actors or not actors, speakers. With original means the original at the moment, not the original back then. So not the original actors for like Patrick. Patrick changed after season 7 in the German version, and Squidward and Plankton some seasons later. Squidward and Plankton is you couldn't do anything about it because the people just died. So not Squidward and Plankton, the actors of them. But yeah, Patrick was just fired because he had arguments with Nickelodeon about his salad, because he got less than some other of the actors. So I think, yeah, we have plenty of examples why Nickelodeon is a um, how do you say this in English? I really don't know. Yeah, they're obsessed of money, to say it like this. So, yeah, it's sad that just the company like this just says, okay, goodbye, old actor, old voice, all the guys know and love, because we don't want to pay you more. So, yeah, and so obviously the game has not the real original voices to the old fans, but yeah, instead the original voices of now of today's SpongeBob. But Mr. Krabs, Sandy, SpongeBob, these three have
You've
the
just
same
met
voices
the Sponginator.
for all the seasons in German, so no problem for these. And yes, I mean, it's not worse than the original version of this game in German. There was just every actor wasn't the right actor, so to you American guys, it's normal to you that you have the original actors for the SpongeBob games by most of the part. I know, not from Mr. Krabs. Yeah,
Patrick will be
wasn't
glad to
normal
get
for
this
us
back.
in Germany. We just had some weird, some really weird voices. And yeah, another example of why Nickelodeon wants to be so cheap is obviously they have to spend much money for all the new voice actors. So voice actors, the real name. I'm so dumb. The real word. For example, the German version, or like every other version, to give them the original cast. But I mean, it would just be a little bit more. It would just cost a little bit more to then say, okay, also Mr. Krabs actor can speak for the game, but no, 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 no. It's okay. Just let it as it is. It's cheaper. Yeah. Thanks, Nickelodeon. I mean, I don't care that much, but for the people who care, I, I just can say thanks, Nickelodeon, for your love for the fans.
Wow! A bungee jump for a golden spatula! I must be in heaven!
If you say so. So, that's pretty difficult. What we're going to do? Oh, so difficult. Oh, so collected everything. Let's go. Golden spatula. I wonder how long I will take for this run. I mean, I already know the game pretty well, but even though I think I'm a bit better in the rehydrated version now, because the physics are pretty different to me, and it's so much more difficult to me. These later robots, they're just killing me all the time because I can't avoid their attacks. The Tatar, is it called Tatar? Don't know. The Tatar bot. It's so difficult in this game. I don't know why. Yeah, killed me like 5 times. I mean, in the original one, I do not die a single time because of robots, at least not in jellyfish fields, but yeah, in my German Let's Play I died like 10 times. So, but maybe this will go faster because now I'm, yeah, a bit more experienced and better. So, let's see. So, 3 times 10 shiny objects. Didn't collect them in my German Let's Play, so obviously that means the English Let's Play is better. Yeah? So, this one sock we can collect at the moment. Nice. So, here we go. No, 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 no. Long loading screen. You have to, yeah, get used to it. The funny thing is, always when the long loading screen starts, when I'm going to the next area, I think, okay, pretty silent here. This is a YouTube video. Let's say something, and then, immediately the characters start to speak because the loading screen is over, and there's always dialogue on the beginning of a new area. Yeah, pretty funny. Pretty funny. This annoying thing. Yeah. Blue jellyfish. Just take one hit, and they just need one hit. The old version they needed 2 hits. Don't know what the difference exactly between blue and purple or pink now is. Maybe they have a bigger hitbox by attacking, don't know. So don't need the underwear, so just destroy the Tiki. Destroy this guy. Let's go. So, hey, come down, boy. So, also jumping is a bit difficult for me in this game because this just helps you out, or just changes something in a specific time window. Don't know why. If you do it a bit too late, it won't change everything. Or a bit too... wait. If you do it at the beginning of the second jump, it seems to change something, okay? If you do it late, it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. So this is the point. You know, in the old version, it always did something. But here, not. Okay. Let's go. Yep, this is one reason, and the second reason is just that I do not feel the physics now at the moment, so that I can jump properly everywhere. Yeah, to me, I already can say the original one is more fun to me. I love the physics even more, and yeah, and the looking and something, all these things. But like I told you, I do not compare them like, oh, okay, the original one is better to me, so don't need this one. Just 2 different experiences. I mean, this game plays a bit different, like this. You couldn't do this back then. So this is one terrible thing. The physics of these platforms are so weird in this game. You will see it in the third area. That can make some problems. So die. Okay, didn't create a new robot before dying. Nice. Let's go. First spatula. So not starting to talk. You know what will happen now. Oh, I have an interesting story to tell you.
Mermaid Man, I have all your comics and toys and mail.
Huh? What? Oh, yeah, it's that sponge kid. And now...
That Patrick is surrounded by robots and needs my help.
Huh? Oh, no. I think it had something to do with massaging my feet.
Well, if massaging your feet will save Patrick, then massage I must.
Help! They're making me hit myself!
Massaging your feet isn't working. I think I'd better try a more direct approach.
What could be a better approach?
By
Maybe?
clipping my toenails?
That sounds good.
Here I come, Patrick!
Okay, not convincing to SpongeBob. Let's go. So
Presents.
so I have to be honest. This was made up, just to show you how this worked in my German Let's Play. This, before my married man started to talk, that I said I want to tell you a story. So sliding as well is a bit weird. This end is weird. You have to push straightly forward by jumping. What happens if you do not press straight forward with your stick is this. I show you by going the second way, where, or more likely to say the first way. The second way is this on the right side with the sock. So If you do not press forward, that wasn't the same in the old game. Just this happens. So, yeah, that was also a bit of a difficulty. You need to get to Patrick to help him, but he's unreachable. Maybe these switches will create a way. The robots are guarding them heavily. You have to battle through. Do I? Okay. Then let's battle. Okay. Here we go. Green ones. And so the switch. I'm turning switches on my Switch. Nice. Bam. Bam. Combo. For some weird reason, they called it Kombi in German. I mean, the German word is also combo, and combi is something different, but the German translators thought, to sound a bit more different from the other language, if we just make combi. Let's go. So, I already see it. I'm much faster in doing things in this now in this rehydrated version. Yeah. I'm a bit better than before. So yes. Let's see. Maybe this is time to end the first part. I think this could be good. So we're talking with Patrick in the next part. So yeah. Consider to check part 2 out, and we see you next time. Goodbye.